I have a long sitting job, and your classes are helping me very much. My back and shoulders are much better.
Last time I just did my blood work, and it's really good that now my thyroid, everything is on balance. Thanks for you and everybody's out there. Swasha is really helping me to maintain my health.
Your class is sweat bath today for me. Sweat bath.
I feel very good on my bed. I sleep very comfortable level. And with no back pain, nothing. After exercise, I'm fully charged.
Shweta, I want to tell for the first time ever, I was able to touch the floor. Halasana actually, like I touched my feet, like on the floor.
Congratulations to Suresh. It was his 150th class today.